Hi, my name is Javier, and I'm an IT engineer, and I rate MyDraw 5 stars. For more reviews like this, click below. I switched from Visio to MyDraw because Visio was a little too expensive, and there was a lot of options, but it wasn't really tailored for my needs. I chose MyDraw because it's easy to use, it's available on Mac, which Visio wasn't, at least without a VMware. And also it was way less costly. Getting started with MyDraw was very easy, especially with the resources they have online and the live online training. I would definitely consider switching from Visio to MyDraw if you are a Mac user. At the moment, Visio isn't compatible with Macs, so in the past I've had to use VMware in order to use the software. So if you're a Mac user, it's kind of a no-brainer.